Hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a great day today. Today what we're doing, other than I see stuff in the viewfinder and I gotta fix it, didn't work. Before I get into that, it's another thing from GlamBot. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Okay, I am dressed like a bum today to do stuff around the house. And this is like 2 sizes too big, but I needed it to be able to go around my belly. Be that as it may, that's a me problem. I know it's TMI, but today I have a real eyeshadow palette from Dior. Don't get me wrong, this is real. It's real eyeshadow. But yeah. Yeah. This is number 769 that I got from GlamBot, and I'm pretty sure that everybody's seen it already because it's probably nothing new. I'm gonna swatch it for the first time, so bear with me a moment. There we go. I don't know what I'm doing yet. I'm wearing green and taupe and gray. That one doesn't cut it, so I might have to stick to that and use that one, and then inner corner, because this one feels more like a topper. I'm not going to do anything fancy schmancy, no big wings or anything like that. It's going to be simple. And what I'm wearing on my face, I had to get my backstage because I don't have the Dior Forever. I do have it in the concealer, but I used my Project Pan concealer, and I also used my Illamasqua contour and Marc Jacobs bronzer, but my blush is another product from GlamBot, and it is my cracked blush from Dior in 381, and I used the white on my face because I thought I should have opened it and looked again, because I thought, okay, it's a cool tone palette, so let's go with a cool tone. But I could have put pink on. But be that as it may, let's get started with the look. 2 taps. I am also wearing my Annabelle eyeshadow primer. It is a very hard product. I mean, I squish my brush in there to get product, and it's hard. I think it camouflages my veins and whatnot, but I need to try it for longer. Done my makeup, this is the 4th time this week so far, I think. 3rd or 4th, yeah, that's how bad my memory is. That's why I like to do it on camera. If I'm not recording a video, I don't tend to put makeup on unless my hubby wants to go somewhere. But because my memory is so bad, I like to record it for posterity's sake. And unfortunately, if I did that every day, there would be a lot of repeats. I think I'm gonna try and go higher, because I need to go higher because of my hood, and that's what I keep forgetting. Go higher, Bridget. Shoot for the sky. Shoot for the sky. See, I need to be able, I've been putting on eye cream on top of eye cream on, well, first serum, eye cream, and I don't know, everything is dry. I know I want it nice and light and subdued and airy. No. Ethereal. Okay, let's see about this one first. Yeah, it's definitely a topper. So what am I going to do? I said the taupe, pinky taupe. Now I am going to spray it once it's on my brush, and then we shall see what happens. I'm trying to get molecules. I can definitely say Dior is for the professional woman, lawyer, the doctor, the judge, the woman who is confident with money, who wears makeup every day, who feels gorgeous in her skin and says to the world, look at me, I'm better than you. I make up stories like that in my mind. I don't know why, but it's just one of those things that I make up scenarios like that and I enjoy it. I really do. It's one of those little quirks, if you want to put it that way. But it's fun. It's fun. And with you guys, it's the very first time I've ever mentioned those quirks. Hubby doesn't even know about them. Okay, if angles and everything are a little bit different, I do apologize. Hubby came back in from doing some work and I went to chat with him because I actually like my husband. Something that apparently, according to the internet, is not common. I'm using this. It's a cross between a plum and a brown. I'm having little panic attacks right now, just itty bitty ones, because I realize that this is a very purple palette, a lot more purple than I would normally be comfortable with, but it's Dior, so I'm gonna suck it up. Suck it up, princess. My husband says all the time. Suck it up, princess. No, I can't do that. I was gonna tap it on my mirror and can't do that. Lisa J is an expert in brushes and she says do not tap the ferrule on something hard. Just don't. I just wish I could. I can tap it on my puff. I try to listen to experts like Rose. I love her. She's awesome. Continuously teaching on Instagram. I wish she did it more. She's starting to do it more on YouTube. I'm just not a big fan of Instagram videos. I don't know. I guess because I'm more used to YouTube videos. We all stick to what we're used to. I try to do Instagram Reels more. I'm trying to make sure I've got it at the right angle. Oh, okay. It's all over me now. Oh, well. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna try and put a little bit of this on my lower lash line as well. And I'm not gonna put any other powder eyeshadow underneath here. I've got a problem. I have to go on a no-buy and now I'm hooked on Dior and I want a Chanel quad. I'm a greedy so-and-so. I haven't even done my inner corner yet. Okay, inner corner. What am I using? A Delium Tools brush, the Bold Lip brush. And I'm going back into that topper shade. Yep. Woman working on Wall Street, the finance guru, the woman who's been passed over for promotion because she's a woman working in a man's world, but knows better than all the men because she's smarter than all of them, is the woman I see wearing this. So, number 769 is gorgeous, even though it leans purple. It's still gorgeous because it's Dior. And I'll be back. I'm back. Okay, so this time with my eyelashes, I only did one coat of the steel. I went on thicker than usual with one coat because yesterday, if you watched my video with using the Wayne Goss palette, at the end I had two coats and everything was clumpy and gunky and I couldn't. It just so I thought, okay, I tried very, very hard to curl my lashes twice. My lashes are very short, so that's very difficult. Plus my eyelashes are exactly like my eyebrows. They do whatever they want. I will finish curling them and they're standing up straight. The second I put a touch of mascara, boom, they go down. So this one's not too bad. This one wants to go down, and I have to watch another video that was, I can't remember who it was, but I gotta go back in my history, and apparently there's a hack that can help you with your lashes, so I gotta try that again. But it doesn't look bad with just one coat. It really doesn't. I just wish, see, it started to get gloopy, and this is not nearly as bad as it did yesterday. I have a big problem with that brush. Okay, so before my camera totally dies, I don't know what I want to do. Okay, I was thinking of using my Buxom with my little itty bitty Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, but I think I want to use new. This is new to me. Hourglass in Futurist is brown. And before I use that, I think I'm going to use my Pat McGrath in Suburbia because, oh no, I have to take the time to even this. I'm such a lazy so-and-so, I have to sharpen everything. Buxom it is. Alright, just enough to say I did it. Let's see what this is like. Oh. This is just as creamy as the Wayne Goss I put on yesterday. It's just got a hint of pink that the Wayne Goss doesn't have. Oh. I'm in heaven. I'm in absolute heaven. I've got another balm on. Thank you everybody once again for coming to visit with me. Please leave me a comment, like my video, subscribe to my channel. A bientôt.